Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Amazon app checkout not working on iPhone. If your order won't go through, here's how to fix it fast. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it loads. Next, open the Amazon app and remove the item, then add it back. It refresh the checkout page. If that fails, clear the app's cache. Go to settings and then search for storage, and then scroll down for the app you're looking for, and then click the offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will paste back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if that does not work, go ahead and reinstall and delete and reinstall the app, and then also check your payment method in Amazon app. Tap your account payments, make sure your card is up to date. This is how you guys can fix Amazon app checkout not working on iPhone. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you hit the like button and that subscribe button, and do not forget to subscribe to my comment down on my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.